Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 13 of the topic precalculus. From that we are going to see double angle identities, the first part of it. So first thing here what you have to see, you have to remember the formulas first and you have to note down these all formulas. There are many formulas in this one. So now sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, and these are the three formulas for the cos 2x. You can have a look at it. And tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So now let us see how will you prove that sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So this is the LHS. Let us take the LHS first. So this 2x we can also split as x plus x. Why? Because we have the formula. We don't have the direct formula for this one. But we can write here sine a plus b or x plus y, this will be, that is sine x cos x plus cos x sin x. So now this is what we can see, this is sin x cos x, and this is also, when we rearrange this is going to be either like cos x sin x or sin x cos x. So these are two times, right? So now what we can write here, we can write here 2 sin x cos x, and which is nothing but the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, so we can say that this is proved. Now let us see the next one, cos 2x. That is cos square x minus sin square x we have to prove. This again we'll write left hand side as it is. We'll write for this one x plus x. So for this one, for cos of this a plus b, that is cos x minus sin x sin x. So here what we can see now, cos square x minus here sin square x, and which is here, this is the RHS. So we can say this is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So now this is proved. Now we'll see simplify and then evaluate. So now what will you do here? 2 tan pi by 6 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 6. So this is the formula for this one, that is tan, this will be 2x. So here this, the value of this is going to be, or we can say 2x or we can say theta. So we have the this one, what it will be, that is tan 2x we can write, or we can write as 2, here in place of x we can write theta. So here what we have, this theta, this is pi by 6, so we can write 2 pi by 6. So now what we can, here we can cancel out here, 2 ones are 2, 3s are, so that is going to be pi by 3. And you know pi by 3 means this pi is not 22 by 7, but this is 180 over here. So when you divide by this, you get 60. So 10, 60, the standard, you know, that is 30, 45 and 60. You have to learn that table as well, sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. So you can have a look at it later on, that is 10 of 180 by 3, that is 60, that is going to be root of 3. Now the next one, 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8. So again here what we have, the formula, this will be sine 2, this will be, both are same, means this will be theta, or we can also call this as x. So sine 2 theta, or you can call it as x. This is the formula for this one. So now what you will cancel out here, 2 ones are 2 4s are, that will be pi by 4. So pi by 4 means it will be 180 by 4. So this will be 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So sine of 45, the value of sine of 45 is 1 by root 2. So this is the answer, because what they have asked here, simplify and then evaluate. Evaluate means you have to write the final answer for this one. Now how to find trigonometric ratios for a double angle? This is the question here. If cos theta is minus 2 by 3 and pi by 2 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi, that means it lies in the, from pi by 2 to pi. So now there are 4 quadrants. This is the first, this is the second, third and fourth. So this is only 90 degree. Here it comes from 90 to 180 is here. Then here it will be 270, and here from 180 to 270 over here, and this will be 360. So now this lies in the second quadrant. So now what will you do? They ask for find the value of cos 2 theta and cos and sine 2 theta. So now let us see for cos 2 theta. So now what will be here? 2 cos square, the formula for this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in place of this one, we have the value is given minus 2 by 3. So you will put here minus 2 by 3 and the square of it minus 1. So this is going to be 2 will be as it is. When we expand this one, that is going to be minus 2 square, because this is the even number. Minus 2 into minus 2 is going to be plus 4, and this will be 9. So now again here what we can do, we will multiply this and this one. So it will be 8 by 9 minus 1. So now we'll take the LCM of this one. So the LCM is 9 is here. So this will be, we can put here 1. So 1 into 9 and 1 into 9. So this will be 8 minus 9 by 9. So cos 2 theta we can say that is 8 minus 9 means minus 9 plus 8, that is going to be minus 1. So minus 1 by 9. So now here sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta. The formula is 2 sine theta cos theta, because we want the value of sine 2 theta. Again, because we are going to look for the same one, that is where pi by 2 to 2 means it lies in the second quadrant. This is the second quadrant. So just roughly we'll draw this over here, the triangle. So you know this is 90 degree means this is going to be the hypotenuse, and here the angle means this is going to be the opposite side and this is the adjacent side, and the value of this is given as, what is given here, cos theta is minus 2 by 3. So here this is minus 2. This is going to be minus 2. Why? Because this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here we can see here, first we want the value of this one, the opposite side, because we want sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So we want the value of this y. So now what will you do here? We are going to take the value of this one as, this is minus 2, the base square plus this is the perpendicular side and this is the hypotenuse. So base square plus this the perpendicular side is equal to hypotenuse square. So this one. So now what will you do? We want the value of, first we'll see for y square, 3 square on its place. If you take this on the other side, this is going to be because now look at here, I'll just show, I'll put a step over here. So now this is 4 because minus 2 square is 4. So if I take this on the other side, this is going to be, we can write directly over here, we can write 4. Here we'll just put 3 square. Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay, so now we can put here, that will be 3 square is 9. And here, when we take this on the other side, it is going to be minus 4. So now what will you get here? Y square is 5. So y is going to be, when you square both the side, it is going to be root of 5. So now you got the value of this as root of 5. So now we'll plug in these values over here. This is 2. This is sine theta is, we know that is, this is opposite by, sine theta opposite by hypotenuse. So we got the opposite side, that is y as root of 5. The hypotenuse is 5. And cos theta we know that is minus 2 by 3, which is given over here. So now when we expand this one, when we see here, what will we do? This will be minus 4. This will be root 5 as it is when we multiply all of them. And even this should be multiplied by, because this is a multiplication sign over here. So that will be 9. So they have asked for sine 2 theta. The value of sine 2 theta is minus 4 root 5 by 9. So this is the answer for this one. So next one, if tan theta is minus 3 by 4 and 3 pi by 2 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 2 pi. So now what we can do here, 2 pi means that will be 360 and this is going to be 270. So it is going to be in the fourth quadrant. This is first, second, third, and this is going to be in the fourth quadrant. Now let us see the values. Minus 3 by 4 is given. So now let us draw the rough, because from here we'll draw the triangle. So now this is 90 means this is going to be the hypotenuse here, and this is the, here the angle is going to be here. So this is going to be minus 3. This is going to be the, because the angle is here, this is going to be the opposite side and this is going to be the adjacent one. So now what will you do here? We want this side first. So we have to find the value of cos 2 theta. So now, first thing, now let us see this side. What is the value of this x? So now this is the opposite square of this one. That is going to be, by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to do minus 3 square plus this 4 square, that is x square. So this will be 9, 16. This will be x square. And this, when you add this, that is going to be 25, and this is x square. So the value of x is 5. So now we got this as 5. So now let us see that we want the value of this cos 2 theta. So the formula for cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So now we are going to put here. So now what is the we want for cos theta means? That is going to be the adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent over here? That is 4. 4 by, and we got this as 5. So 4 by 5 square minus, now sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite over here? That is minus 3. So you will write a minus 3 square by this 5. So this is the square of this one. So now when we multiply this one, this into this and this into this, so it should be 16 by 25. And this should be minus 3 square is going to be 9 by 25. And this is the minus sign over here. So now you can see the base is the same. So you are going to write the LCM is the same. And 16 minus 9, that is 7. So we can say cos 2 theta is 7 by 25. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.